guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we are going to open up my September Tokyo treat box. Tokyo Treat is a monthly subscription and you get a box full of treats from Japan. It literally comes from Japan. Here's the little custom slip and they ship it out every single month. You get it usually about a month after they ship it out. So this is the September box. Luckily I'm at the beginning of September. Sometimes I get the box in the next month, like it'll be October when I get my September box, but sometimes it comes early. It's really inconsistent. You can get a classic box for $25 a month or a premium box for $35 a month. I personally get the premium box because I think it's worth the extra $10. If you're interested in this box, there will be a referral link down below. Of course, as always, you do not have to use a referral link if that's not something you like to do. I do get a credit every time you use my referral link, but you can just type in tokyotreat.com. It will take you directly to their website and you can just get your box without a referral. Here is our little menu of everything that's in there. Most of this stuff is written in Japanese, so you're gonna need the menu to help you out. September 2019, Fresh and Tasty. Each box has a theme. This one is Fresh and Tasty. That sounds good, so hopefully everything is very like fruity and refreshing because of this cover photo. The good thing about choosing Japan as the country to get your treat box is Japan is totally all about getting sort of like limited time only snacks or flavors. That's why they have like 1,000 flavors of Kit Kats, because they just keep cycling different ones, and there's some really weird ones and some really amazing ones. And that's kind of something that they do. So everything that you get is going to be pretty unique. And this is the first time I've had a repeat, and it's only one repeat, so not too bad. I'm going to open everything that's in the classic section first. So if you pay the $25, these are the items that you would get. That is going to be number one, chocolate mint Pocky. If you don't know what Pocky are, they're kind of like these little, maybe pretzel sticks is the right word, but they're not like really pretzel salted or anything like that. They're just kind of the shape and texture of a pretzel stick. And then they're usually dipped. So this one is Choco Mint. Mint is all the rage in Japan right now. So we've made sure to include this exclusive chocolate mint Pocky. Enjoy the minty, fresh flavors of this delicious chocolate covered biscuit. It just tastes like those mint chocolate candies in cookie format. Thumbs up. The second item that you can get in the classic box is this watermelon gummies. I love fake watermelon flavor. This says Kabaya watermelon gummies. Nothing beats fresh and juicy watermelon. These chewy gummies pack in loads of yummy watermelon flavor. You won't be able to put the bag down. And probably I won't, because watermelon is one of my favorite flavors. But not like the actual, I do like actual watermelon, but I feel like I like the fake candy watermelon so much better. Very, very good. So the next item in the classic box is called Mint Taiyaki. It says this minty fresh treat is a light and bubbly snack in the shape of taiyaki. Taiyaki is a common Japanese fried pastry in the shape of fish. So usually it is like a pastry and then they have like red bean paste inside, but this is the mint version, I guess. It literally looks exactly like this. When you buy the one with red bean paste on the streets, you basically buy it like from street vendors. Oh my god. That's super minty, but also I was not expecting the inside to be like creamy. So the next item is this Yaokin melon bread biscuits. It says, melon bread is a must-try treat from Japan. These little biscuits are shaped like mini melon breads. So cute and delicious. I never had melon bread while I was there, but I'm going back, so I probably will try it if it's that good of a treat. Again, not expecting this, but it was filled with chocolate. Which maybe melon bread is filled with chocolate, and I would know if I had tried it, but it is so good. It doesn't taste like melon at all. It just tastes like chocolate. So the next item in the classic box is savory. I'm not a fan of wasabi. Now we have a savory item, wasabi nori. This says, this nori snack will give you a refreshing taste from the sea. It features a delicious wasabi flavor mixed in with the seaweed. These are such a fun little snack. I'm probably not gonna love this. It's just one piece. Actually, it's better than I imagined. It kind of feels like beef jerky. I took a small bite because I was like worried, but it's not that bad. It's pretty good. Kind of imagine it like sushi beef jerky. That's kind of what it feels like. The next item in the classic box is also a savory item. This is Petite Kabuki rice crackers. Rice cracker lovers jump for joy. Yay! I'm not a rice cracker lover. This pack of Petite Kabuki rice crackers is filled with crispy, crunchy rice cracker goodness. They're so good you won't be able to stop eating them. We'll see about that. This is a really small bag though. Like, I haven't dropped anything yet, which is awesome. It tasted sweet for a second, but then it tasted like soy sauce. Okay, this next item, also savory. It says Yokin Soba. These cute little soba noodles have a delicious savory sauce taste. Eat them plain or sprinkle them on a noodle dish for an extra crunch. It kind of just feels like rice in here. I'm so surprised I haven't dropped anything all over my bed because every time I do a Tokyo treat box, I have to change everything out in my bed. Okay, so it basically just looks like top ramen noodles and like, can you see that? No. Okay, well, that's what it looks like. Just trust me. Oh my gosh, that's so good. I don't know what that sauce is, but that's like really good. It's savory, but it's like really good. This is addicting. This is my favorite thing so far in the box. So we have a DIY. Every single time I seem to get a DIY, and the instructions are just basically like picture instructions. So this DIY says melon jelly DIY. This kit is full of sweet melon goodness. Mix it together with water to create your own melon jelly concoction. It's filled with sweet and savory freshness. I feel like I need to refrigerate this. All right, well, let me grab my water. I brought water because I knew this would happen. And we're back with water. And I feel like I look taller now. The DIYs are never easy to do on my bed either. I probably should film these in the kitchen, but you know, it's just so much easier. My camera's already set up here. Oh my god. Well, first casualty of the day, but 2/3 full. This seems like too much powder for what I'm about to try to do. Also, obviously, I don't know what 2/3 full is. Stir it about. The straw they gave me is not good for this. I don't like the way it feels. It feels like gelatin. And I mean, it's called melon jelly, so the taste is good, but the feel is not my favorite. And to be honest, I had some juices that I bought in Japan as well that had a very similar like thickness to them that I also did not like. The next one is cheese chips. Cheese chips. This yummy treat is jam-packed with so much cheesy flavor. Enjoy the crispy, crunchy, cheesy goodness. Cheese lovers are going crazy for this snack. Oh wow, they look like Fritos kind of. Pretty good. Tastes like cheese. The next item is Chorus Soda Soft Candy. This says, these soda soft candies are a delicious and juicy 2-tier candy treat. Love soda flavor? Then these are just for you. They are made with a yummy soda powder flavoring that'll tingle your taste buds. Okay, so it's like the outside and then like a jelly inside. It feels like gum. It has the consistency of gum, so I don't know if I should swallow it. Good. So next we have this umaibo stick. I've had tonkatsu, whitefish cod in one of my videos, and then it like stopped right in that part, so I ate it, and you guys didn't even get to see me eat it, which is just like so frustrating. And sweet corn, like I've had so many flavors of these. I've only liked one flavor. Only one flavor tasted like it belonged on this. It's basically like a potato chip stick that is extremely flavorful, and they pick some really weird things to flavor it with. This one is natto. Natto is like fermented soybeans. I don't like the taste of them. I don't feel like I'm gonna like the taste of this, but we're still gonna eat it. So this says, this is your classic umaibo snack with a traditional Japanese flavor. Natto is a traditional Japanese soybean dish that is definitely a must try. Have you tried natto before? Yes, I did. Oh, it smells like it too. Nope. Oh, why do people like this? Sorry, Japan, I don't like natto. So, in the beginning of my video, I said I had a repeat item. The repeat item is actually the mystery item. It's not listed anywhere on here. They are these little chips. It's a 4-pack. Cute little characters, typical Japan fashion. They're like little hands. This one's like hang loose, and then this one's like peace sign, and they're just like little veggie circles. I've already eaten them on camera before, so I'm not going to eat them, but they're pretty good. They're just like little crunchy veggie chips. So now that was everything you would get in the classic box. Then if you get the premium box, you get 5 additional items. The first one is the Furuta Gudetama custard chocolate. This is huge. The premium stuff always comes like really huge, but it's this little like character. I think he's an egg, and so it has these little like individually wrapped. It says, calling all chocolate lovers, the Gudetama custard chocolates are to die for. Their sweet melt in your mouth texture combined with the custard goodness makes them heavenly. Gudetama is looking extra good too. I mean, he looks the same, but this is so good. This is some good quality chocolate. They always seem to send a soda or something. This one is by Kirin. Kirin also makes soda and other beverages, not just beer. This is the Kirin watermelon soda. It's not cold, so I'm just gonna take a sip. That's also super good. Kirin watermelon soda, it's melon time. This super fresh and juicy watermelon soda is perfect for a hot summer day. It's a watermelon party in your mouth. So next item in the premium box is another bag of chips. This one is yuzu salt lemon potato chips. These chips are the ultimate sour and salty combination. The refreshing sour yuzu and lemon is balanced out with the delicious salty flavor. What a refreshing and delicious treat. It's weirder than you would think. It's not bad. I just don't expect chips to have that much lemon flavor to them. It's like pretty strong lemon. This one is a Furuta Detective Conan chocolate bar. Detective Conan is here to save the day in this delicious chocolate bar. This yummy treat features thin, crispy wafers surrounded by smooth chocolate and in a cute Conan package. I have no idea what Conan is. Well, this is what it is, apparently. Maybe a cartoon of some sort, or anime or whatever. Just looks like a humongous Kit Kat with like maybe some strawberry on the inside. It's strawberry. So it's like wafers with strawberry and then surrounded by chocolate. Super good. Last item, premium members, is the fried potato chips. Why would they give us like 4 chips? I got 4 chips this time. Potato lovers rejoice. This snack is a full-fledged potato treat. It is a delicious spicy garlic and ginger flavor, which is complemented by freshly fried chicken. What? Theirs tastes like French fries. I don't taste ginger. I don't taste garlic. I definitely don't taste chicken, but still good. Overall, I mean, I only gave a thumbs down to 2 things, right? To the melon jelly DIY because I don't like the feel of jelly in my throat, and to the natto like bar. Honestly, I don't know how somebody could love the flavor of that bar, but I think it's an acquired taste and maybe you get used to it because there are plenty of people in Japan that love natto. Have you ever tried it, by the way? Because if you have, I kind of want to hear in the comments how people feel about it, because I just don't feel like that's a thing you could love. But who knows? Maybe I'm the weirdo. Thank you so much for watching and taking a little mini trip to Japan with me.